This video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups and fake human verification alerts related to the sites weka.whoshare.com. In fact, these pop-ups may present different content. Some versions of these pop-ups may be presented as some human verification alerts, whereas some other versions may just tell you to click on allow, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. No matter what types of pop-ups these are, they are absolutely malicious. It's a mistake to click on allow button, and this would immediately hijack your browser. You will start receiving the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. To remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, consider researching this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.